Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about MROUND DAX functions in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is MROUND DAX function syntax. MROUND and number, comma, multiple. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data. In this place now I have two columns. First column names and second column sales. Okay. Now I'm clicking new column and type MROUND. Okay, once you read this, returns the number rounded to the desired multiple. Okay, now press enter number. So now I'm sales comma 1 comma close this parenthesis. Okay, see this here. Now mround is a function, so now add number place. I'm adding particular my sales column. Okay, see this here. Sales is a table name. First sales is a table name and second sales is a column name. So next I'm adding multiple place. I'm adding one value. Okay, let's check this DAX function. Okay, see this here. 20, 26 and 60, 21 and 30. It's automatically rounded the values, means 23.3. So it's automatically showing 20, 26.25.6. It's automatically showing 26. Okay, this is MROUND DAX function in Power BI Desktop.